Welcome to myBooks product demo tutorial. In this video, you are going to learn how to create journal entries on myBooks accounting software. Go to Transactions, then select Journal Entries. In All Journals list page, click on Create Journal. Select the date from drop-down. Enter the reference if any. Select the account from drop-down. Enter the description. Enter the credit amount. Select the account from drop-down. Enter the description. Enter the debit amount. Mention the notes. Click on Save. Now journal is created. That's it. You created your journal entries on myBooks. Thanks for watching.